What's up, dudes and dudettes? Today I'm going to show you how to set up a voice meter banana to play out of three audio outputs at once. So basically, I have three monitors and I want to play music all at once. Here's how I set that up. First things first, I went in here, found this port 6. It's was called VoiceMeeter N6. I renamed it to multi-monitor because that's what it's going to be called. Everything else I disabled just to simplify things for when I uh, choose that option, and then I have less bullshit showing. Um, so this that multi-monitor is what we'll want to select here to actually play the audio through the multi-monitors. So I'll just click that there and it sets that as default here. So in the program after that, we go here. I use WDM because I tried the difference between WDM and MME. WDM sounded better for me. It might work better for you otherwise. Definitely give both a try. Here I'm set up selecting A1, A2, A3, just all the different outputs at once that I want to set up. And then here, since we already renamed it to multi-monitor, that virtual port shows up as multi-monitor. Here we just select A1, A2, A3, and that is what will actually allow us to play the audio out of all three of them. Thanks to this dude here, I was able to figure out the program. Definitely go give him a sub. Basically, yeah, that's it. Now I play audio out of all three speakers, and it's nice and beautiful. Anyways, thanks for checking this out.